Hi everybody, it's Rob. I'm going to put together a relatively quick video to point out a simple thing for you as far as how you can make money through your websites, okay? Now, in all my training, I repeatedly nag you or remind you of a simple fact, and that is that if you set up your website correctly, you have a targeted product that people want, you then create social media assets, right? So whatever they are, let's just, for want of a better word, save images, and you share those widely and often, and you keep doing that. There will come a point after a month, after 2 months, where you, in fact, will be earning a full-time living, okay? And it's almost that simple. Now, last night, I got an email for a new product called Traffic Cloud, and it was sent to me by a respected marketer, and this video is not promoting Traffic Cloud, but I'm not knocking Traffic Cloud either. So I'm starting at the bottom of the Traffic Cloud page, and I want to show you something that proves that it is very, very simple. Okay, so at the same time, I'm going to tell you that if you want to, you can go and buy Traffic Cloud. Hey, I don't have an affiliate link. Sorry, I probably could get one. No, it's not worth it. Sorry, I'm just lazy. But watch this. I'm down at this section where, at the bottom of a very long sales page, I mean, watch this. Can you see all of this? Right? So at the bottom of a very, very long sales page, which I've now lost, it comes down to, are you still here? Here's a few frequently asked questions and answers. Now, I love this because at the bottom, they get rid of all the sales hype. Make this much money using our app. And it tells you exactly what it is. Okay, let me tell you. This is, and by the way, it means that within 60 seconds, you've heard my speech. It says Traffic Cloud is an app that lets you create clickable visual posts, right? So it's an app that makes images, right? From a huge collection of visual assets. They talk about billions of it. And you share those on social media giants Twitter, LinkedIn, and Blogger, which gives me a bit of a really, but that's fine. And you can share your posts instantly, schedule them, share them later. It's a really, really cool system, right? And it says, thus solving your major traffic problems without paid ads and manual labor. Okay? So I'm not even going to go into what it does and what makes it work and how, etc., etc. There's the reality of it. Is this, and we're going to go back up here to show you where these people made so much money. Okay? But in reality, this makes an image from free assets, by the way, which are free anyway. I can show you where to get them. In fact, I have shown you where to get them in the training. So go to the images or the social media training in my system, and it'll show you there where to get free images. The Pinterest course is another one too. It's full of free places to get vectors and images and whatever. Okay, so how to make those images for free. So you can do it anyway for probably the similar amount of work as you would have been doing in Traffic Cloud's app. And then it automatically will share it on Twitter, LinkedIn, and Blogger. Now, again, I've got a course on IFTTT and how to do automated social media, and that's also in the training. And that teaches you how to set up IFTTT once, and it will send your finished image to far more than Twitter, LinkedIn, and Blogger. It will share videos and it'll share it to Pinterest and 20 places if you wanted to. So in other words, and yes, also Twitter, LinkedIn, and Blogger. Okay. So all of that would be for free. Now, having said that, that's as close as I'm going to get to knocking Traffic Cloud, because you can do this for free. Okay. The slight difference is you'd have to go through my training and learn how to do it. But once it's done, it's as simple as what you'd have to do inside of here. By the way, this comes with training, this Traffic Cloud. Okay. Here. Is there any training included? Yeah, for sure. Obviously, they're going to teach you how to use their app. And after all of this, it's not bad. You get to be an agency, so you can redo it for people and start another business. And it's only $37 once off, boom. So it's a bargain anyway. In fact, take this coupon traffic $2 off and you get a $2 discount. And it's all good, right? So for $35, you can literally get all of this done anyway. Okay, so for those of you that don't want to listen to my whole speech after this, these guys, a respected marketer that's got this Traffic Cloud, tells you that if you took images that were clickable and put them on Twitter, LinkedIn, and Blogger and did it often, they will make you money. And it's true. So let's go to the very top. Oh, so thanks, you can go if you want. Let's run through this if you're still with me. So it says revolutionary software drives free traffic. Well, Eric, I don't know about that revolutionary, but I like that you put it in there. It's fine. 3 top social media giants, 3 simple clicks, right? So unlimited free traffic is basically just Twitter, LinkedIn, and Blogger sending you clicks because, well, you're engaged on them all the time, as you would be if you were making your own images, putting them on your website, and then sharing those through IFTTT. So they'd go to exactly the same platforms. In fact, I highly suggest that you take this my system, which would be the Pinterest or Instagram. I prefer Pinterest. One step further, and you create specific extra images over and above for Pinterest, and you share those too. So now you're getting double whammy. So you're getting twice as much exposure. So they've got all these free images you can use built into the system. That's cool. It's free anyway. Set, and that's cool, by the way. So this is a big with the $35. Set and forget traffic streams. So you can make it, I think, kind of redo it again and again. So yeah, perhaps it does a little bit more than just posting images. So now they gave their beta access to our old customer, whoever he is, and he took the app and put it in 3 weeks and got 13,000 visitors. Now, it's not impossible, but a lot of this depends on how many images did he share, how many clicks, what did he do. So there's a lot of gremlins to that, and you could do that. And obviously, any of these things, you could have these and promote them. It's quite simple. So 2,000 clicks, 3,000 profits. So we have promoted Amazon. Good for them. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with this. It's possibly true. It doesn't work every time. So I have no clue who that is. I probably would know him if I see him, if he's there. Trusted regular guy. So then you'd send traffic to and links, and you'd never pay for traffic again. So yeah, now then they scare you with this. No traffic, no leads, no sales. No, of course that's true. You've got to get traffic. You've got to buy traffic, or you've got to generate it through. There's 3 ways of doing it: paid for ads, social media marketing, or SEO on your website to get organic traffic rankings from Google. And to get all 3 is one of the best ways, because the paid ads help you with the other 2 to get exposure and visibility. Okay, so there we go. They talk about this is good and this is bad, and this is what they did, and that's pretty cool. In fact, you want to go and read Traffic Cloud if you like. But the bottom line is that other than this is cool that it's automated. Sorry about my froggy, guys. Is that it's something that I've taught you to do for free anyway. So it's create images, share them on social media in the right places, and do it the right way. Now, just doing it doesn't work. So you've got to do it properly. Okay, so that's really where I'm at. That's it. So sorry that I've taken 10 minutes to tell you that there's this product out there, brand new, they're launching and they're promoting it, and it does what I've already taught you to do, and it's not a huge amount of work. In fact, it is something that I believe is at the core of your success, is you go to the trouble of setting up. In other words, you do all my training to research a profitable product, a niche within a niche, if that's the case. And once you know what your product is and who you're sending them to, in other words, with your keywords and whatever, you then go to the trouble, it might be a month, of setting up the core of your website, those 10, 20, 30 pages. Once that's done, thereafter, it's simply just creating 2 posts a day and 10 images to go with each of those. So 20 images from 2 posts, and you just share it exactly. At that point, you're doing what this does. And you don't just share it on 3, you share it on 10. Starting on Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Blogger. There's a few others. Medium, LiveJournal, whatever it is. All of those, it's all automatic. You just share it and you share it and you share it and you keep doing that. And that way around, there will come a point, probably at the end of your second month, where you're starting to get very, very nice traffic. And yeah, making money. Okay, I'm out of here. Enjoy the rest of your day. Take care. Cheers.